Frustrated homeowners and consumer advocates gathered in front of Los Angeles City Hall today to call out California's insurance commissioner, Ricardo Lara, accusing him of lying. As we've reported, his office says it's allowing insurers to charge higher rates in exchange for writing more policies.
Now, that protest happened as Lara met with lawmakers about his new set of regulations regarding homeowners insurance. Fox 26 News reporter Myra Franco explains what both sides are saying.
Myra, this affects every policyholder throughout California, right?
Yeah, that's right. Both homeowners and consumer advocates say that they're fed up with the lies. Many saying they are still getting dropped by insurers. Others saying their claims are still getting denied despite paying those higher rates. Now Lara defends his plan and says he is rewriting California's fire coverage.
And as you all know, we have a homeowners crisis. People are getting dropped. People are getting run out of their insurance because it's too expensive.
My insurance shouldn't cost me as much as my mortgage.
Massive home insurance rate hikes and the percentage of wildfire-prone area coverage were the center of the conversation Tuesday for those outside Los Angeles City Hall and inside.
We are creating an entirely new law, new procedures from the ground up, and we are doing it in record time.
Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara presented more details to the Assembly Insurance Committee about what he calls his Sustainable Insurance Strategy Plan. He says this effort will stabilize rates in the state's insurance market through a number of reforms. These include increasing rates, relying on computer modeling, and changing the FAIR Plan, a last resort insurance of sorts for those who can't find insurance in the traditional market. Lara's message to California consumers:
I have your back.
But homeowners and advocacy group ConsumerWatchdog say he turned his back on them and made false promises.
And unfortunately, Insurance Commissioner Lara has been worse than asleep at the switch. He's been in the back rooms making deals with the insurance companies.
They say they were promised insurers would cover wildfire-prone areas in exchange for charging policyholders more. But former firefighter and veteran Gigi Bannister, who lives in the San Bernardino Mountains, says that didn't happen.
My premium doubled. I figured at least I was covered if something catastrophic happened, but that was not the case. In 2023, an ice dam broke loose from my roof and wrecked my deck. The wraparound insurer wouldn't cover my $40,000 claim, and then they canceled me.
4 months ago, Farmers, our insurer of 20 years, dropped us, and our broker was forced to find coverage from what's called the non-admitted market. These are insurers that are not regulated. So if they go bankrupt and we have a claim, we're also out in the cold.
He explains last year they had 100% full coverage. Now it's been cut by half. Lara says his new plan aims to fix all those problems.
Starting January 1, 2025, California's insurance marketplace will be open for business in all parts of California.
But Bannister and others argue those plans don't cover all Californians.
Insurance companies should be forced to honor claims. Otherwise, what is insurance for?
The proposed regulations will allow insurance companies to charge customers based on computer models, software, and algorithms. Those opposed worry about a lack of transparency. Now, Lara says there will be transparency, and his new laws will help implement or regulate them. Liz Monty, sending it back to you in the studio.
We will see. Thank you, Myra. Consumer Watchdog says Lara's proposed reforms read 85% of people in distressed areas will be covered, but there are loopholes that could hurt consumers.
It points out that these loopholes will allow insurance companies to cover only about 5% if it comes down to it. This is something we were covering last week as well. We continue this coverage, and we certainly hope that, again, prices can come down.
For everybody.
For everybody, and availability goes up.
Hi, I'm Monty Torres with Fox 26 News on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel, where we have loads of great content for you to choose from. And while you're here, why not click on the subscribe button right here? That way you can stay in touch with all the latest breaking news, everything news related within the Central Valley. And thank you for watching.